Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to cook at home. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and bell button if you would like to know every time I post a new video, especially one in this series, eggs. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the perfect fried egg. Y'all, it is so simple, just a few simple ingredients and techniques, and you'll be on your way to making the perfect fried egg at home every single time. All right guys, let's go fry an egg. When your pan is hot, you're just gonna scoop a little bit of this butter or ghee that I'm using today and just let it melt all the way down. And as soon as it's melted, we'll add our egg. All right, now we're at our egg. Gently, as you can see, the egg whites are just starting to bubble. It's kind of setting that outside shape, and then we're gonna gently cook it all the way through. We're gonna go ahead and season the egg with a generous pinch of salt, fresh cracked pepper, and then finish, let it doing its thing. Okay guys, now that you see this golden brown outside, you can kind of take your spatula, loosen it up around the edges. If it sticks just a little bit, that's okay. Just have some patience. Just a little bit more crispiness isn't gonna be a bad thing. And then you're gonna take it and gently place it on a paper towel lined plate. Look at that. We have a nice, still golden yolk, these brown, crispy edges. You can see here, if you lift it up, it's nice and golden brown on the bottom. We're gonna crack into this and it's gonna be super delicious. I like to put it on a paper towel just to kind of absorb that excess grease. You don't want it to be, yes, we're frying it, but you don't need it to be extra greasy when you're eating it. Okay guys, let's crack in to this beautiful fried egg. You hear the crispiness and you see that ooey gooey center, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Nice crispy edges, just set egg whites, and that gooey center is delicious every time. Okay guys, now that you know how to fry that perfect egg, I wanna see them, I wanna hear your comments. Tag me in photos, leave comments below on what tip that you liked the most. I love to hear from you guys. Go ahead and hit the suggested video up here on the screen. That's gonna take you into another egg video that I'm gonna teach you in this series, and by the end of this series, you're gonna be a pro at cooking eggs in no time. All right guys, I'll see you next time.